I now invite Professor Kumar Molugaram, Hon'ble Vice-Chancellor of Osmania University, to deliver the welcome address.
Most respected Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai Garu, the Honorable Chief Justice of India and the Chief Guest of today's program. Distinguished guest, Justice P.S. Narasimha Garu, Honorable Judge, Supreme Court of India. Our guest of honor, Justice Sujay Pal Garu, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Telangana. Special guest of honor, Sri A. Sudarshan Reddy Garu, Advocate General, Telangana High Court, and honorable judges, the learned members of the Bar Council and bench, distinguished Vice-Chancellors of various universities, government officials, dear colleagues, faculty members, enthusiastic students, invitees, press and media, ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon one and all. It is with immense pride and profound sense of privilege that I stand before you today, not just as Vice-Chancellor of Osmania University, but as a representative of this venerable institution. Osmania University, a true temple of learning, has nurtured minds for over a century. As a 108 years old legacy institution, we proudly stand as one of the 7th oldest universities in the country and 3rd oldest in the South India. Our commitment to academic excellence is reflected in our NAC A+ grade accreditation and our consistent high rankings. In the NIRF 2024 rankings, we are proud to be placed 43rd among all Indian universities and 70th in overall category, securing a commendable 6th rank among all state public universities. Globally, we hold 131 rank in the QS South Asia for the year 2025. It's with great pride I share that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji was conferred with D.Litt degree by Osmania University on 12th January 1953. Our legacy is defined by the countless luminaries we have produced, from our own former Prime Minister, late Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu, to global corporate leader Dr. Shantanu Narayan, CEO of Adobe, and pioneering cosmonaut Sri Rakesh Sharma ji, and many other eminent alumni spread far and wide across the world, have brought laurels and accolades to the university with their distinguished contributions. Their achievements truly embody the spirit of innovation and leadership fostered here. We are incredibly proud of our diverse and inclusive culture, providing a nurturing home for countless first-generation learners. Our commitment to empowerment is particularly evident in the remarkable fact that 64% of our current student intake are girl students. A shift to significant. We have converted boys' hostel to accommodate them. This truly demonstrates how we bring the ideals of our constitution to life. The government of Telangana is focusing on social justice and inclusiveness. The recent initiatives of the government of Telangana justify their vision in this direction. At Osmania University, we embraced future-ready education. Our University College of Engineering has collaborated upskills students in AI and ML and data analytics. Today marks a truly momentous occasion as we are highly honored to host the highest judicial authority of our nation, the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Sir, your presence is a powerful affirmation of academic discourse in shaping the future of justice. We are deeply grateful that you have carved out invaluable time from your extraordinary demanding schedule. I thank all other esteemed dignitaries, Justice P.S. Narasimha Garu, Justice Sujay Pal Garu, and Sri Sudarshan Reddy Garu for their distinguished presence. Your participation elevates this event and provides invaluable encouragements to our students and faculty. We have consciously chosen to organize this event around the Chief Justice of India's lecture on Constitution of India, the contribution of Babasaheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, because it addresses a crucial and enduring need. This platform is vital not just for our students to engage directly with a highest echelons of judiciary and gain unparalleled insights, but also for our faculty and a broader legal community to foster deeper academic and exploration, encourage interdisciplinary dialogue, and strengthen our collective commitment to the rule of law. Ultimately, by emphasizing the critical role of Constitution and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's profound legacy, we aim to reinforce civic values and promote a more informed and engaged citizenry. This gathering is a testament to our university's unwavering commitment to fostering intellectual growth, critical thinking, and civic responsibility. It is our endeavor to not only educate but also to inspire future generations to become conscientious citizens and impactful legal professionals. Once again, my profound gratitude to our Honorable Chief Justice of India, all the distinguished dignitaries, media persons, and every single person present here. Your collective presence makes this event truly exceptional. We hope your time at Usman City today will be both intellectually stimulating and personally enriching. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.